In a move drawing widespread criticism and sparking legal challenges, the Trump administration has announced it will terminate temporary protected status or TPS for nearly 12,000 Afghan nationals currently living in the United States. The Department of Homeland Security released a notice in the Federal Register stating that TPS for Afghanistan will officially end on July 12, 2025. The decision comes amidst ongoing instability in Afghanistan, where thousands continue to flee Taliban rule. Nearly 11,700 Afghans had been granted TPS following the US withdrawal from Afghanistan in 2021. The administration argues the designation is no longer justified, claiming that the country has now an improved security situation and a stabilized economy. Critics and immigrant right advocates, however, strongly disagree. Secretary of Homeland Security Kristi Noem defended the move, saying it aligns with efforts to restore integrity to the immigration system. She added that some TPS holders have been under investigation for fraud and public safety threats. Legal opposition was swift. A lawsuit filed in Maryland federal court alleges the termination violates the Administrative Procedure Act and equal protection under the Fifth Amendment, especially as similar protections were revoked for Venezuelans and Haitians. Immigration advocates warn this move may endanger lives, as TPS recipients could be sent back to a country still grappling with violence, poverty, and persecution.